Hello, trumpet players. Welcome to your lesson for this week. First thing we're going to do, as always, is take out our mouthpiece and buzz a song. Here's my song for today. Go ahead, pause the video, go to a completely different video, buzz that song, and then come back here. Okay, at this point you have buzzed the song. We're ready to play. Ready and warmed up. Let's go, please, to warm up A. That's the first thing that we're going to do at all of our rehearsals. It starts with C, no fingers. We call that open in trumpet land. The next note in measure 3 is D, first and third valve. The next note in measure 5 is E, 1 and 2. The next note in measure 7 is F, first valve. And the last note in measure 9 is G. These notes gradually go up, so gradually speed up your air and make your lips smaller to get higher notes. Here we go, ready? 1 and 2, and letter A, go. Rest, 2, 3, D is next. E is next, go. First valve F and breathe. Open, fast air. And that is letter A. So, you'll notice for letter B, it's the exact same notes, just a little bit faster. So these are half notes. They only take up half of the measure. Since our measures have 4 beats in them, half of those 4 beats is 2. So each of these half notes is 2 beats long. Let's practice it just saying the notes and then moving our fingers along with it. Ready? And 1 and 2, letter B, and go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Okay, so that was letter B. Let's go ahead and play it this time. Okay, make sure our instrument is up. We take a good breath, and remember there's no breaks in between these notes. So you're going to have to take a breath whenever you run out of air. Make sure that your fingers still stay in time. Letter B, ready? 1 and 2. 1 and 2, big breath, and go. That is letter B. So, if you can do letter B, you might need to do that a couple times to practice it. But if you can do letter B at that speed a couple times, well, then you can do it faster, at a faster speed. Okay? Now, our fingers have less time to move. Our brain has less time to think about the next finger. So, practicing letter B at a slower tempo will actually help you at a faster tempo. Let's do it right now. Ready? 1 and 2, letter B, and go. Okay, now I want us to look at letter C. Letter C is going to be the same thing as letter B, but faster and twice in a row. So let's practice by just moving our fingers in time for letter C. Ready? Just fingers. 1 and 2, fingers, letter C, go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Again. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Now, if you can do that with the valves and saying it, you'll be able to play. If you can't say and do the valves yet, I don't know if we're ready to play. So feel free to review and rewind and do that part of the video again. Now, once you can do all of those fingers in time and say the correct notes, now you're ready to play it. Let's try playing letter C. 1 and 2, letter C, and go. All right, trumpet players, have fun practicing. Your homework for this week is letter A, B, and C. And then if you check out letter 6 in your letter 6. If you check out page 6 in your book, you're going to find these notes at the very top of the page, and page 6 is the next page that we're going to be learning in our lessons. Have fun practicing.